What is going on, everybody? So on Marketplace, we just found a car listed an hour ago. It's an E63S. This thing is absolutely insane. We're on our way to pick it up right now. And also, those who don't know me, I build and I smash cars. Guys, take a look at the other videos on the channel. Thank you. Pissed or pissed?
It's actually a very seated pit. I stand right there at the thing.
You really, what's the best you can do, like you said? Like, I just don't want to waste too much time. If not, I could probably find something else in Marketplace.
Yeah, I probably wouldn't be able to do 15, to be honest. I'll just roll. If I'm already so like underwater on it, I might as well just.
All right, so hey, we just got the car for $16,000. This does have a clean title, 60,000 miles, so it does not go in to drive, obviously. So this whole suspension was taken out. We just put this in 15 minutes. It's about the torrential downpour. We're on the way, somehow dragging this thing onto this trailer. You gotta take a look at this. We got a U-Haul trailer, and it's gonna be very, very, very risky. I don't know how we're gonna do it. We got ratchet straps. Very unprepared, guys. Stay tuned. You gotta watch this. Yeah, guys, so this thing has carbon ceramics, like I said. Now, the interior is definitely ripped apart, but obviously it has potential. Oh, shit. All right, you ready?
Thanks that, Soldier Boy.
Actually, you wanna know why it's getting so hard?
I think I farted, but it turned into liquid.
I farted, but I really sharded.
Oh, shit.
Bro, we have to pick up fucking oil for this kid. $100 worth of oil. Bro, this is crazy, bro. It's taking my wallet away from me.
You want a filter?
This car is insane. It was crashed, but you guys know me. I smash and I rebuild cars. So, I'll show you the damage real quick. The front end was clipped extremely hard. I have all new control arms and everything. You want to take a look at this. It is a clean title. The car has 60,000 miles on it. It has carbon bucket seats, full carbon interior. The car is fully loaded. This thing is no joke. This dash, this trim, everything is sick. And again, carbon bucket seats. This car is an edition 1, which means there's 200 of these in the United States. The guy also did lie about the listing. It has 800 horsepower, this car. He did not tell me that it's downpipe tuned full straight pipe. So when we do get it running, if we get it running, this thing's gonna be an absolute monster. All right, so if you guys don't know me, on this channel, we don't waste time. So we're cutting right to the chase. Cut to the time lapse of us detailing the car. So what we just did, we just got rid of all the garbage, all the parts. We took out everything. Now it's going to be coming down to wiping down because everything's full of dust. Wow. Oh my, that carbon is going to absolutely sparkle. That's crazy. But let's vacuum and clean this thing down now. A few things that worry me with this car, and one of them is when I first got it, I put this glove box back in, but this whole rug was peeled back. It honestly looks like somebody has been in this car before. And when you get it for such a good price like I did, the engine without an oil cooler, which the oil cooler was ripped off, it scares me a lot. I really hope this engine's good. I got a really good price on it. But when you see stuff like this and you're buying it from somebody who actually didn't want to finish the project, things do get scary. I really hope the engine drivetrain is good on this car.
Now that the car is all vacuumed out, we're gonna be wiping it all down with a rag and some spray. Let's get it, boys.
right, so we just vacuumed and detailed everything. Nice and quick, you know. It's gonna be worked on this car. It's gonna get dirty again. Looks a lot better though. Now we're gonna be doing the airbags. Damn, that shit's easy. Okay, so I just popped the 2 pins on the airbag. This honestly took 5 minutes. Not bad at all. We got a brand new one. It actually came with the car. You can't go wrong with that. Let's see.
Steering wheel's about to look so good.
Dude, I know. This Alcantara needs to be steamed, but like other than that, look at that steering wheel, bro. Wow. These paddles are so stiff too, man. But again, everything is very rare in this car. It's an edition 1, which it says it right here in the steering wheel, which means you got obviously the yellow accents on the door sills and everything. And you got this beautiful frost black paint job. It's just like, this car comes together so perfect. I'm a BMW guy. You guys know me. But this car is just like beautiful.
It's something else.
Yeah.
Interior came out pretty good.
Yeah. Not bad at all. Nice Alcantara with the bucket seats.
Carbon sparkling.
Alright, cool.
Now that the car looks super clean inside, we're gonna do the actual engine of it now. Detailing process starts now. It's done. It's done.
All right, it actually looks a lot better. Everything's nice and clean. Obviously, like I said, 800 horsepower. We got beautiful black boost intakes. Wow. Handcrafted for E63S Edition 1, serial number 1100. That is really cool. Wow. So everything else came out really good, though. We got some leaves up here we're going to have to clean out, but this is good enough for now. Oh, hey, thanks, dude. Thanks for the vacuum. Guys, this is day 2. So day 1, we did a nice interior detail. Today, we're going to be taking off all the bad parts of this car. So right now, let me get to this, and we'll jump to the tire off. Guys, so when we actually got this car, this whole bit of suspension was actually off of it. You guys are going to love how we got this onto the trailer. All right? Oh, boy. It's literally just laying on there. So the rotor isn't even bolted in. Everything's hand tight. Everything is really hand tight. So we actually had to take out the air suspension. So we put bricks into the strut tower and it worked pretty good. But looking into this build a little bit further, guys, it has some tweaking. If you want to take a look in here, there's a little bit of this apron over here got pushed in, but doesn't look too bad. We're gonna take it to a nice frame shop and hopefully straighten that out, pull that out. I know the battery bay got pushed in a little bit, but bro, it honestly sucks. I know this car came from in New York in the Hamptons. So the guy who had this had the money. He did the $2,000 black boost intakes. Crazy. We obviously got the downpipes, the tune, the 800 horsepower, the straight pipe. This car is all there. Like I said, I know it's definitely worth it. So and one more time. So look at that. We got a little bit of apron pushed in there. Don't forget, we got all the new control arms, new everything. This ceramic rotor was broken right here. It sucks. We got a new one though, but man, these are $2,000 rotors. It's wow. It's honestly not bad. This car is so savable. We just reached out to somebody in Texas that will be supplying all of our parts. So our first thing we're gonna be doing with the old parts removal after we did the wheels, we're gonna start taking this fender off. This thing delaminated so bad. I'm really hoping there's no bad frame damage, guys, because this project could turn very expensive with cutting out sections of the frame and all that, but cut to the time lapse. Guys, so everything's loose right now. Let's see if we can pop this thing out. There we go. But nice and easy. We're not trying to scratch up any of the other body panels. And just like that, we got a fender off. Look at that. This is a 1 of 200 paint colors in the world. This is an edition 1 car. Like I said, guys, super rare. That's good though. Guys, so now that the fender is off, we can actually take a deeper look into this actual damage. Our frame is kinked a little bit right here. You can't really even tell, but that's something that we can just pull out. I'm not worried about that. This really isn't bad. This is supposed to be a nice flat line right here. It's not, it's pushed back a little bit, but again, this isn't something that will really affect this car at all. Not worried about it. It looks so much better than I thought. We got a little scrape on the door right here, a little bit of nicks and knacks, these pillars. But for the most part, it honestly did not destroy the car. Like this is very good. I'm gonna straight jump into taking all the suspension parts off of it and stuff, getting it ready for the new things. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna strip apart all the suspension, all the control arms, everything. Let's take this whole thing apart, address more damage, and go from there. Guys, so, oh my God, these fucking things are heavy. Unfortunately, this carbon ceramic was broken, but this is gonna be a great wall hanger. These go for about $2,000 a piece. Insane, guys. Crazy, but again, we got another one, so I'm not worried about that. Right now, taking off the caliper while trying to keep the brake line pressure, so I'm not trying to disconnect it right now. And it's, low-key, turning into a pain. I can't even get this line out. So, yeah. That's good, though. All right, cool. So we just took off all the bad parts. Oh, we're gonna leave this here right now because it's resting the caliper on top, but everything else looks pretty good. That's obviously a little bit of damage right there. It's gonna be pulled out. I pulled that out a little bit. It is definitely coming out good. We got some oil cooler lines right here, auxiliary cooler. I have a brand new radiator on the way as we speak. Now there's not gonna be another update about this car for, I don't know, give it like a week or two because I'm ordering a bunch of parts. I'm also going to Miami, but this thing is full straight pipe. Like I said, valve, straight pipe, exhaust, dual H pipe. It's going to be sick. Yeah, guys, hey, you got to follow. This car is people's dream cars, and I'm getting it at 19. This thing's going to be built fast. I'm taking my time with the strict things like this, but everything else, getting the parts, it's going to be a quick process. But making this perfect is definitely going to be hard. Guys, please follow. Stay tuned for the process and like and subscribe, guys. Thank you.